Today we are discussing interview questions for ServiceNow, service mapping, and discovery. You can download the complete list of interview questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on ServiceNow, service mapping, and discovery is: explain the concept of horizontal discovery in ServiceNow and provide an example scenario where it is particularly beneficial. Your answer should be: horizontal discovery in ServiceNow focuses on mapping relationships and dependencies between devices in the IT infrastructure. An example scenario where it is beneficial is in understanding how different servers, databases, and network devices are interconnected within a data center. Horizontal discovery helps create a comprehensive view of the relationships between components, aiding in troubleshooting, capacity planning, and optimization. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow, service mapping, and discovery is: how does ServiceNow Discovery handle the discovery of configuration items (CIs) that are part of a business service or application stack? Your answer should be: ServiceNow Discovery handles the discovery of CIs that are part of a business service or application stack by using patterns that define the logic for identifying and classifying related CIs. By creating patterns that capture the relationships between servers, databases, and other components, ServiceNow can map the entire application stack and represent it accurately in the CMDB. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow, service mapping, and discovery is: what steps would you take to ensure the security of sensitive information, such as credentials and authentication details, used in ServiceNow Discovery? If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the current, valid, and updated questions from the description. Now moving towards the answer. Your answer should be: to ensure the security of sensitive information in ServiceNow Discovery, encrypt communication channels between the MID server and target devices. Next is: follow best practices for credential management, such as restricting access based on roles. Next one is: regularly update and rotate credentials to mitigate security risks. And last one is: monitor access logs to detect and respond to unauthorized access or suspicious activities. Our next interview question based on service mapping and discovery is: how does ServiceNow Discovery handle the discovery of software licenses, and what considerations are important for effective software asset management? Your answer should be: ServiceNow Discovery handles the discovery of software licenses by collecting data on installed applications and comparing it against license entitlements. Important considerations for effective software asset management include configuring patterns and sensors to accurately identify installed software. Next one is regularly updating license records in the CMDB. Next is implementing reconciliation rules to match discovered software against license records. And last one is periodically reviewing and reconciling license compliance to ensure adherence to agreements. If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. You can also download the complete list of scenario based questions from the link provided in the description. Do you have any better solution in your mind? Please write that in the comment section. We can discuss it further. If you want to go for any ServiceNow certifications, you can find the current, valid, and updated questions tutorials in the description. All the best.